Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Chong from ChongYi Bears. I got this jellycat Wheezy car a while ago. I wanted to give it to my little boy because I want him to have something to hug when he is sleeping. He doesn't interested in any stuffed animals, but he's a big fan of cars. So I think this jellycat Wheezy car is our best choice. But when we got this car, we found out that this car actually make noises. When you shake it, it sounds like this. Today I decided to take the noisy device out of this car so my boy can take it to bed. If any of you'd like to do the same thing, or if you have an open cut or an open seam on your plush, you want to fix it, I hope this video can help you. This device is inside of the tummy of the car, so I'm gonna do cut it open from here and take it out, and I'll sew it back. To do this job, we need to have some tools ready. We need a pair of small and sharp scissors, some polystuffing, and a needle and thread. You'd better pick a thread which has similar color to your plush. In this case, I pick gray. Okay, the first thing we need to do is cut it open. I will just cut it through this seam on the tummy of the car. Be careful when you cut it, don't cut on the fabric. Find the thread and cut it. I hope you can see it clearly. Here, that's the thread. Very careful when you cut. Cut it little by little. It looks like the fabric they use on this car is not strong enough, so they used a thicker thread, and also they have this second layer to protect the seam of the opening. Okay, now we take this the device out, and we started to put the poly stuff back into the car. I decided to change a thread. I want to use a stronger one. It's also gray. I want to use double thread. so it's strong. And now I'm making a knot. To close this open cut, I use what I called ladder stitching or invisible stitching. Try your best to do this stitch evenly, little by little. You will get a much better result. At the end, I just want to make 2 knots. I hope I can hide it in the seam so we don't see it. It's better that you have a long needle. So if you don't have it, it's totally fine. You can just use your needle and go through the body of the car. Anywhere you can reach it is fine. I have this longer needle, so I will just go through whole body of this car and pull it out. It's the long needle isn't necessary. I believe you can still do it even you don't have it. Cut it off. And now the job is done. We got our car without the noisy device. Now we have our car back and it looks great. It looks like nothing really happened. I hope this video can help you if you want to do the same thing, if you want to fix your toy. Normally those stuffed animals have longer fur. It will definitely cover it up so you won't really see it. Thank you guys for watching my video. I will see you soon. Bye bye.